Hello, you YouTube expressors out there. This is Fastfoodexpress here. Today, we're reviewing the spicy chicken sandwich from Wendy's. This is how it looks like. Lettuce, tomato, mayo, and chicken. Let me pick up the fries. They fell. They always fall. So here it is. Chicken, the spicy chicken sandwich, the lettuce, and the tomato. Going down. You can taste the spiciness of it. It's really spicy. It's one of the spiciest chicken tenders I ever had. It's really spicy and whatnot. Now you can really taste it. I'm gonna get Diet Coke. This is a Diet Coke. I'm gonna try it out for you guys. Diet Coke, I'll give a 10 out of 10. So the spicy chicken sandwich is a buy, guys. If you like spicy foods, then get it. It's a buy. There's an intersection. Right there. It's really spicy. I'll try out the fries for you guys. Here's the fries. No salt at all. They forgot to put the salt. So guys, like, subscribe, favorite, share. Get up to 500 subscribers for the Nintendo Switch giveaway. Get up to 1 million subscribers for unboxings and movies. So guys, peace out, and thank you for watching.